Hi and welcome to the Bee Hive. We're a fledgling channel, not high tech, no bells and whistles so to speak. We're just a group of very close, loyal friends. Not much different from you, I would imagine. We're mothers, grandparents, sisters, daughters, cousins, aunties, just ordinary day-to-day people. We do have a small chat group of our own. It's a closed group and it goes by the name of the Queen Bees. The reason why the group needs to be closed is because there are some very vile people out there. And if they don't agree with your opinion or you say something that they don't like, they do not know how to conduct themselves and to behave. Hence, we have to keep our family and each other safe. It's our top priority. Now, one of the bees suggested it may be a nice idea to start up a YouTube channel to build a little community where we can welcome others into the group. So that's who we are, the Queen Bees. What will the channel be about? Well, the hive will be about all sorts of topics really. We'll talk about basic prep. Who knows what the future may hold? We could have a cyber attack. We could have an act of God. We could have unrest in pockets up and down the country. What's the saying? Hope for the best, prepare for the worst. We'll talk about gardening, DIY projects, money saving ideas. You may come out on dog walks with us and to the local shop. We'll talk about the wonderful people in history from this country that gave so much to the world. We'll talk about basic politics. We don't say that we're politicians because we're not. All we can give you is information on what's going on up and down the country the best we can. So that's our little hive. We do have a big brother and a cousin, and hopefully in the future we can welcome them on as the channel grows and we get used to the technology of YouTube. Have guests on. They may have a different opinion to us, and that's fine. We can agree to disagree as long as it's in a respectful manner. We are decent human beings that are happy to listen to other people's opinion, but we are not punch bags for people that are having a bad day. We hopefully, as the channel grows with your help, and if you like our contents, we will be able to invite you on so you can air your opinions, have a voice on the topics that we're talking about. Maybe you're just having a bad day. The kids are playing up. You've had a bad day at work. The journey's been a nightmare from start to finish. You could be housebound and not get out a lot, or have anxiety and rather stay in. It's just a space for you to come and join us, build a little community and have a chat. Now, I must apologise. I'm not a brilliant speaker, and this really isn't as easy as it looks. Each member of the Queen Bees will play their part on the channel. Some will come in on and present and be able to show their faces. Some will have to hide their ID. No sinister reason behind that. It's just they do a lot behind the scenes and help out other channels. Some of the girls will moderate, and some of the girls will find out information for us so we can share it with you. Every single one of us will play our part into building the channel up, hopefully with the help of you. So for now, tatty bye and speak soon.